A new year is upon us and for the most of us. Kaya naman, it's the perfect time of the year to set new goals and plans. That's why we are here at AFNI to roam around and ask our employees about their New Year's resolution. But more than that, to know as well kung natupad nga ba nila ang kanilang New Year's resolution from last year. Kaya naman tara, samahan niyo ko. Hi, my name is Rose. So, dito lang naman po kami upang kapanayamin kayo.
Ay,
Okay lang po.
pwede naman.
Dito naman na kasi tayo.
Ano
So, una
magagawa?
sa lahat, it's all about, we all know naman na New Year is arriving. So, it's all about the plans that we have or we had. So, with that being said, nagkaroon po ba tayo ng New Year's resolution from last year?
Ano, yung new me, kung magaganon. Oo.
Pag ba new high, metamorphosis?
Hindi
Ano
na.
po yun?
Ano, kumbaga parang maging iba ako sa naging ako nung last year. Parang iba na siya. Ibang...
So, parang better version of
ayan.
That's nice. So, we all know naman na napapalapit na yung New Year. Ano po ba yung New Year's resolution naman natin for 2025?
Ganon pa rin. New version ng sarili ko, lalo na bago lang din ako sa AFNI. Tapos ano, sabi nga ng coach ko, kumaga kahit isang beses mag-improve kada araw para kumaga after ng isang buong taon, malaki yung improvement mo.
So, parang good, better, best.
Yes.
Ayan, we're hoping na sana maisakatuparan niyo po yan. And thank you so much for your time. So, ayan, magtatanong-tanong pa tayo, mag-iikot-ikot. Pero if you may be wondering kung anong plano ko, ito na yun. Since we all know naman that 2025 is about to arrive, it's all about New Year's resolution. Nagkaroon po ba tayo ng plano or New Year's resolution from last year?
Yeah, I actually do have.
Care to share?
Hindi. No na lang. Ay! Hindi, sige. Joke lang.
Gusto namin malaman.
It's more on personal growth.
Personally,
Tsaka more on financial.
financial.
Yeah.
And how was it naman? May progress?
Yeah, may progress.
That's nice. And pwede naman po ba naming malaman yung plano natin or New Year's resolution natin for this upcoming 2025?
Growth naman sa aking work life and financial again.
Okay, and we are hoping na maisakatuparan niyo. Nagkaroon po ba tayo ng New Year's resolution from last year?
Yeah, to have a job because last year I don't have jobless. So,
And
Yeah.
now, naisakatuparan natin. Congratulations for that. And yung New Year's resolution naman natin for the upcoming 2025.
you know, to have a better health and yeah, probably promotions here in AFNI.
So yeah, maisa sa katuparan naman yan dahil since AFNI is growth, diba? We just really need to take care of ourselves first and let's hope that things will be, mapabuti yung progress natin. Since New Year is about to arrive, we're gonna talk about our plans or goals for the upcoming year. But before we proceed to that, may we know if we have already established some plans or goals prior to 2024?
Actually, well, right now I'm just really more on focusing on our finances because I just got hired by AFNI this year. So that's gonna be our focus.
Financial, and we hope na mag-grow tayo financially. Having some financial freedom and stability. Perfect. But maybe also know if we have the same plans for upcoming 2025 or a different set of goals.
Definitely because I'm still going through that. So making sure that that's gonna be completed, achieved by next year, and hopefully, but then I can focus more on health naman.
Ayan, I love talaga health and financial. And we hope na maisakatuparan niyo yan. And there we have it. Everyone has their own set of plans and different goals. But all of these things lead to one thing. That's for their own development and growth. Maybe personal or career-oriented. So how about you? Ano nga bang plano mo this 2025? So if you are on the lookout for a new career, you may want to include applying here at AFNI and see you here at our recruitment hubs.